Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Honey Hello Seed and Curry Garden Game After Vlogs BCB event update. Okay, so this is one of the seed from the BCB event update, guys. And if you want to buy it, you need to have enough the jelly coins. The honey coins. And you can go to the honey coin shop right here. Oops, sorry. And you will be able to purchase it from here. Honey coin shop with your honey coins. And if I'm not mistaken, it costs 50k honey coins or 20k. I don't really remember, guys, but it's kind of expensive, but it's really worth. And this is a defined seed, and I'm going to show you guys how the honey hello seed looks like. Okay, this one, honey hello. And if you want to plant the seed in your garden, guys, make sure that you have enough space because it's big. So it's a tree, I guess. And I'm going to compress my pollinated plants which contain the honey hello, and it will give us a lot of honey coins, guys. I've already harvested them. Honey hello. Wait. Alright, this is the honey hello fruit. Okay guys, and that's all about the honey hello and grow your garden game after vlogs BCB event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.